Creative Stamping is a publication, a magazine by Practical Publishing, and this one is pretty amazing. Now, I've got some Post-it notes over here. I want to show you some of the projects, but first I want to show you what comes with this. 58 stamps. 58. It's talking about the 12 days of Christmas. So you're going to get a partridge in a pear tree, you're going to get French hens, you're going to get geese, you're going to get songbirds, swans, all sorts of things, mice drumming, little pigs dancing, all sorts of things. 58 stamps. Look at this. It says, in fact, it's bigger than the magazine. So there we go. All of that is coming. Now, what do you want to do with them? Well, here's what I love, is that the magazine shows you tons of ways to use these stamps. And you can just see, now they're going to go through the 12 days of Christmas, certainly, and there is that cow, and that's the image for 8 maids of milking. And 2 turtle doves, you can see 4 calling birds, so there's a mom and 3 babies. And then we have even more, and it's not just stamping them, it's also having some movable cards. And I love the fact that this is doing 3 different color combinations and 3 different styles with 1 stamp. I really like that. And let me go back, you can see. Now, they will have a few other things, but it's really very well done of using how to use those stamps. So we've got the 3rd day of Christmas, the French hens. We have, I'm going to go back over here and show you. Okay, this is 15-minute make, so that's nice. It's basically using fewer colors, so that's interesting. Also, these are using very few colors, and so that gives you, and this is really cute. There's a Lords a-leaping, and there is the ballerina doing dancing. So lots of different things are going on, and that's what makes it really, really nice. So you can see, just again, lots of variety, lots of different colors used, lots of different techniques used. The designs are all done, are given, the instructions are given in centimeters or in inches. So it's going to be one or the other. And we'll work on a sheet that will give you a conversion. Now this is doing some glitter with it, and this is a telescoping card. So it starts layered like this, but with brads, it telescopes. And if you've taken any of Teresa's movable card DVDs, you will have seen that. But here's another take. So all of these have glitter on them. So there can't be anything wrong with that, can there? So Creative Stamping is available exclusively from Paper Wishes. And we're so excited to have this. And wow, 58 stamps, all the 12 days of Christmas. You can't go wrong with this.